Welcome to Adventures with Sean K. Today we are going to put in a set of motor mounts. As you may or may not be able to see, I've already done this one here. We're going to do this one next, and I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. This is a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's got a 3800 Series 3 V6 in it. It's a wonderful car. My mom left it to me. She only got 42,000 miles on her, so we're going to be doing some repairs and fixing her up. So join me on the journey. So for this, you're going to need a 13 millimeter, and you'll need a 15 millimeter deep wrench socket to perform this. And here we go. You got 4 screws in the front. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1 bolt in the dog bone and a secondary in the backside. The backside is 15 millimeter, so you will need a 15 millimeter to take this off, and then you will need a wrench. You'll need a 15 wrench. And here we go. Not too bad. It's 2008, so she's not rusted too bad. Whoop. All right, it's not on me here. All right, here we go. I'm not an actual mechanic. This may or may not be how you do this. This is just how I do it. So you take your bolt off, there you go, put it up on the top, and then you pull your bolt out. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Same procedure on the back side. And this way we're gonna twist it, but get her loose. Get this dog bone out. That's what it's called, a dog bone. When your motor mounts go bad, they can cause excess motor vibration, clunking in the front, all kinds of different things. So it's good to change them, especially if you bring a car from the north. It's a little bit rusted, been sitting for a while, and there you go. So this is your dog bone, and it's out. Next part of the process is going to be removing the front bracket. Oh, let's change our socket. Change your socket, Sean. Here we go. Now when you tighten these back up, from what I understand, it's supposed to be fastened, retightened to 32 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I personally don't have a torque wrench, so maybe something I invest in the future, but for now, I don't need one. I can adjust it approximately 32 pounds. Kind of like, just imagine you're picking up 32 1-pound burritos, right? And how much force that would be, right? That's how I kind of try to envision it. And I always carry tools in my vehicle anyway, so if I'm ever off a few pounds, why I can just retighten it. Haven't had anything come loose yet. This one's in there good. As you can tell, sometimes I do recommend you loosen up both sides before you get too crazy on removing the other side. If you go too loose, then this bracket will try to spin on you and cause all kinds of trouble. Wow. That thing does not want to come out, does it? Hard to believe this is in there so hard. It's getting looser. Wow, it was in there. Holy cow. Sorry for the noise. Let's loosen this one. Hold this a little bit so you don't hear so much noise. It's a really easy project to do. You know, it's important to do motor mounts because you can end up getting things broken. And I do recommend you use a magnetic tool for removal because, well, that's hot underneath there. It's pretty hot. Sometimes they come out just like that, and that bolt is hot. And then it comes off just like so. Simple, easy peasy. Set that aside. We've got our new pieces here. Brand spanking new. Now I've seen some people on YouTube, they like to put these in upside down. I don't know what the reasoning is to put them in upside down. I just don't. So maybe somebody in the comments can let me know why you would put it in upside down. And they do fit in snug. So once you get it worked in there, what I like to do is get your front put in first, get it stable. Careful not to cross thread anything. Easy to do. All right, I'll get down in here and drop these babies in. We can just set them in there, and you can use your extended socket to get it started, get it threaded, so it's not going to go anywhere on you. Easy way to do it. You learn little tricks of the trade as you go along. As I said, I'm not a mechanic. Don't do what I do. You know, I'll show you how to get it done, but like I said, it may or may not be the right way to do it. All right. Getting there. We are getting there. So you see how easy this is? So if you've got an older car and you've got some excessive motor vibrations in the car, any clunking in the front end that, you know, may sound like a strut or something. It very well may not be a strut, it just might be your motor mounts. All right. So what I like to do is I put the back in first, right? So you want to put your back one in. And your front one, you're going to have to pull on the engine. You're going to have to pull your engine forward to get it in. It's the only way. And sometimes it can be tricky, as it's going to do for me here, because when I pull it, it tries to fall in. So let's try this. Boy, that sure is snug. Let's try something a little unconventional. We'll just put that wrench in there. We'll pull her forward. It still didn't. Boy, that's does not like to move very good at all. Oh, you little rat. Don't worry, I won't cuss. But as I said, this can be challenging to get these in. But you don't want to beat on them because it's delicate threads and things. There we go. So, y'all just got to see me struggle. But it's in. It is in. I promise you. So, that's how you do it. Easiest thing to do. And you want to remember to switch back to your 15 because these guys here are 15. So then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Like I said, the manual calls for 32 pounds. So what I do is I get it snug, and then let me get the back secured first before I tighten them down fully, you know. All right. Sorry for the long video, but if you want to see the step-by-step. All right, so I get it snug where it's, you know, it's pretty hard. And I just imagine 32 pounds. You know, you don't want it super tight. You don't want it super loose either. So just imagine 32 pounds, and that's it. All right, take our 13, get that back in there. Once again, 32 pounds. Not too tight, not too. That's about 32. Bottom one there. These bottom ones are short. They seem like short bolts, but they go all the way in. Like they go pretty deep. This one's almost done. This one was the real tough one. Get out. It seems to be like it's pretty good. All right, right there, and then about 32, roughly. You know, it's not an exact science, but. And there we go. 2 brand new motor mounts. How long did that take us? Let me see. Took us 13 minutes. Wonderful. Get you out of here. 13 minutes and 25 seconds to put in 2 new motor mounts. Well, one anyways, that one. So as you can see, it's a 3800 Series 3 V6, 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. Beautiful car, I love it. 42,000 original miles. My mom left it to me. Rest in peace, Mom. Love you and I miss you a lot. So basically we just got some cleaning to do, move some rust, you know, and it never hurts to keep your original parts. I'm not going to get rid of these since they are original, so I will keep these. It's always good in case, let's say something goes bad. You know, I doubt it, but should be good to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learned something. This has been Adventures with Sean K. See you on the next video. Oh, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it and it helps the channel. Talk to y'all later.